The body is offline today. We are flushing out a virus. To be honest, it's killing me mentally, but here we are, learning how to rest and recover. Most people will take this as an excuse to disappear. We're not gonna do that. So what I've been doing, guys, is I've been pulling footage out of my archives and I'm gonna break it down for you. And we're gonna look into the 3 most important movements with the Steel Mace, or garter, club, meal, whichever is your primary method. Look, I love kettlebells. I love heavy kettlebells. I know you guys love kettlebells based upon the reactions on my previous videos. But this is gonna complement your kettlebell training massively. In fact, it's gonna complement all of your life. When we're lifting heavy weights, sandbags, kettlebells, etc., we are creating compression, okay? This is the antidote to compression. We do not want to end up being a stiff, useless statue. We are training here for ancestral warrior strength traits. So I'm gonna break down the Gravedigger with a catch and swing, I'm gonna break down the 360 swing, and I'm gonna break down the 10-2 swing. This is how you bulletproof the shoulders so that you can still heavy press when you're in your 90s. Class in session. You guys can watch me do this all day, but until you actually pick up the mace or the garter, it's just entertainment. If you're into heavy kettlebell work, you need this movement. The Gravedigger teaches you to dig deeper into the hips, and the 360 motion opens up your chest that your phone has been destroying from staring at it. Do not be the guy that's strong in a straight line but snaps the second that life throws a curveball. Study the tape, fix your mechanics, and I'll see you back in the arena.